Boring presentations killing your message? Say hello to Magic Slides. Instantly turn any topic, text, YouTube video, PDF, or documents into stunning presentations. No design skills needed. Just input your content and let AI do the magic in seconds. Let's go to Google and search for Magic Slide, then click on the very first link. The link also includes a brief description of the video. This is the homepage of Magic Slide, a platform for creating professional presentations in seconds using AI. With Magic Slide, you never have to start from a blank slide again. You can simply enter a topic, a YouTube URL, or paste some text, and the platform will instantly generate a PowerPoint presentation. Magic Slide supports various formats such as PDF, images, Word documents, PowerPoint files, videos, and audio. In the past 7 days, over 5,200 presentations have been created using Magic Slide. There are several templates available to choose from, and you can see that the tool is trusted by top universities and companies like Stanford, Udacity, and many others. Getting started is easy and involves just 3 simple steps. First, log in or sign up. It's free and no credit card is required. Second, enter your content or topic. Third, let the AI create a professional presentation for you in seconds. Magic Slide allows users to create presentations in multiple ways, from plain text using a pitch deck generator, by extracting content from YouTube videos, or by converting URLs and PDF files into presentations. It even supports over 100 languages, making it highly versatile. To create a presentation, simply type a topic like AI technology into the prompt bar and click Choose Template and Setting. Then choose your preferred template and settings. You can customize the layout and style to match your needs. Once everything is selected, click on Generate Instant PPT. The platform will take a few seconds to generate the presentation, so be patient. Once the presentation is ready, you'll see the topic, a table of contents, and all slides neatly organized. Magic Slide even integrates AI-generated images relevant to your content, making the presentation more engaging. If needed, you can edit your slides by changing the text, images, layout, or theme. To change the theme, click on Change Theme and select from a variety of pre-designed themes, or upload your own custom theme. You can also click on the Media option to add visuals. Magic Slide allows you to integrate images from Unsplash, Google Icons, or upload files directly from your computer. Once your presentation is ready, you can download it for free. Just click on Download and choose the format, either PowerPoint or document. Select Download PPT and wait a few seconds while it processes. Once downloaded, you can open the file and admire your completed presentation. It looks great. You can also create a presentation by pasting text directly into the text bar. We will paste a paragraph about Bitcoin and click Generate Instant PPT. The platform will take a few seconds and then produce a presentation with relevant slides and images. Again, you can edit the text, change the font, size, and color, and move images around as needed. Once satisfied, click on Download and choose your preferred format. After downloading, open the presentation and make any final adjustments. To share your presentation with others, simply click on the Share button. Magic Slide will generate a shareable link within seconds. Copy and paste the link into your browser or share it with others. In conclusion, Magic Slide is an incredibly powerful and free tool that allows you to create presentations from text, YouTube videos, URLs, and documents in just seconds. You can fully customize templates, edit content, and add visuals, all with the help of AI. Try out Magic Slide for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for more updates. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the latest AI tools and trends.